So a little about me on how I got into the trade. High school is very much into trades, woodworking, things like that. Being on the farm, I got into a little bit of everything in the trades. The other passion was helping people out, so I actually went to college for criminal justice, played baseball at Grandview, was doing criminal justice, and decided college wasn't exactly for me, so I went into the trades. I've been doing HVAC for 20 years. The reason I got into HVAC is A, job security. We're always going to need heating and cooling. B, I get to help people when they're in need. So it kind of curbed my appetite for both avenues, helping people and having job security. So that's why I got into the trade. I've been through all sides of the trade, been industrial refrigeration, commercial refrigeration, residential. I purposely put myself in different avenues of the trade so I had a broad knowledge of everything, and then started into management and things like that. So that's where we're at today.